Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the green Shiba Inu token. Ticker symbol is GINUX. Now this token is a very well established token. They have thousands upon thousands of holders and followers. But this token, it was just announced they're getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on the green Shiba Inu token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the green Shiba Inu coin, a fully decentralized, zero-emission, and fairly distributed community-driven token disrupting the meme economy, aiming at protecting the environment. And that's where the name green comes from. You will see that I put their Twitter up on the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project at Green Shiba Coin. And it says, Ginux, the fully decentralized, community-driven token on the Binance Smart Chain, disrupting the meme scene to protect the environment. Then they have the contract address right there. 52,600 Twitter followers, blue verified checkmark, over 3,800 tweets. And they have a full link tree right there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. And it was just announced that this token is being listed starting tomorrow, March 9th at 9 o'clock UTC time. The green Shiba coin will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol GINUX, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if you look at their BSC scan, they already have 46,917 holders, 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply here of that is a million, so it looks like 5,259,337,645,852 tokens. So yes, you can find them on BSC scan. You can find all the links on this link tree to anywhere you want to go. So it says, make the world a greener place with memes. Green Shiba Inu is a fully decentralized, zero-emission, and fairly distributed community-driven token to protect the environment. Many dog meme coins have been launched after Dogecoin, like Shiba Inu and Akita, but none of them have had the power to be eco-friendly and to protect the environment by supporting the main activists in this field, as well as good causes that matter the most to us in this world through a strong green community. A wise man by the name of Elon once said, "Whoever controls the memes controls the universe." We will be happy enough to make the world a greener place with the power of memes. So the tokenomics and stats, it says 5% of the supply is reserved for farming campaigns. 45% of the supply burnt following roadmap token burning events. 40% of the supply from liquidity pool will be available to buy and be distributed to holders. 0.1% from the initial LP burnt. Then we have 2% of the supply for marketing purposes. And then we have 8% of the supply locked as a goodwill offering for well-known environmental activists. So what makes Green Shiba Inu special? Well, the Green Shiba Inu token is on the Binance Smart Chain, which aims at setting up a global neutral economy with a sustainable crypto development, thus reducing the emissions and the subsequent carbon footprint that stems from mining. The Green Shiba Inu project is a non-profit organization fully governed by its community. The power of Green Shiba Inu is to gather together friends that will shill the wow power, and it will inevitably become famous by word of mouth, inviting the community to share memes and a good laugh to protect the environment. The Green Shiba Inu community has decided to gift 8% of the supply in the smart contract to Greenpeace. And then we also have the protocol. So the protocol features a frictionless yield generation system plus automatic token burning protocol. Every transaction has a 3% fee for rewards for holders. And then we have a burning mechanism as well, making it deflationary. So it says, no rugs possible, fair launch, market and adoption, 100% decentralized. There's earnings, token burn and buyback. And then we have a roadmap. Starting with the redenomination plan, token swap, new tokenomics, new protocol, token burning program, 30K Twitter followers. Then we got dual yield capability, super staking rewards, listing on central exchanges like Mexc Global. They're going to come out with NFTs, then 50K Twitter followers. Then they're going to have a BE20 to ERC20 bridge. So it's going to be on the Binance Smart Chain and the Ethereum blockchain. It'll be a cross-chain token. And then airdrop the new token, and then also 80K Twitter followers. They have frequently asked questions at the bottom of their page. How do you buy? What's the contract address? How can I join the community? So it looks like they're partners with Solana, it says here. So maybe they're going to go cross-chain as well, do BSC, Solana, and Ethereum. And CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, you can find this token listed on there. You can find a donation address at the bottom of the page if you're looking to give to the cause. And I don't, according to CoinGecko, it's only on BSC scan, so I don't think it's on Solana. But according to CoinGecko, this token is also up 135% today. And it says token has undergone contract migration to a new token. I think maybe they were just Ginu before, Ginu, and then they went to Ginu-X. I believe maybe that's what it is. But yeah, either way, well-established project, getting a brand new token listing starting tomorrow on Mexc Global. So go check them out there. You can also find this token listed on Dex Tools. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.